Welcome to Cooking with Chaya. Today we are going to make I got here a big piece of salmon fillet. I got here some cilantro. I'm going to put some salt, about a spoon of salt. I'm adding some cold water to remove all the bugs, and it will be here for about 10 minutes. About a third of a cup of tomato sauce. You can also use a big spoon of tomato paste and mix it with 3/4 of water. I'm adding hot paprika, depend how spicy you like it. A spoon of garlic powder, a spoon of cumin, a spoon of turmeric, and salt. I'm adding half a cup of water and mix it. I'm taking a whole lemon and I squeeze it, and I'm getting all the juice, and I'm adding it to the sauce. I'm slicing some jalapenos. Again, it depends how spicy you like it. If you don't like it so spicy, you don't have to use the seeds, and you can use a sweet pepper if you don't like jalapeno. Adding it on top of the fish. I'm chopping some garlic. I'm adding the garlic again all over the fish and spreading the sauce. I washed the cilantro that I used before, and now I'm just chopping it. And add it to the fish. Cover with a tinfoil. And I'm going to put it in the oven on 350 Fahrenheit or 180 Celsius for 30 minutes for a preheated oven. That's it, the fish is ready. Serve it to the table and enjoy it.